Hello friends, welcome to this lesson on object management in LeanFT. In this lesson, you will learn three topics: description programming, application models, and regular expressions. So let us start with the description programming in LeanFT in Visual Studio. So here I have got one project and there is one test that I have created to launch the notepad and then identify the notepad window. So I will briefly explain you how the description programming works. So to identify any object, you have to give the object the class name of that object. Or here we are trying to identify the window, so we have used the window over here, and over here you have to use the desktop.describe because the window that we are trying to find out has no parent. So it is when the window has no parent, you have to use desktop.describe. Then over here you have to give the same class name that we have used over here and window description. So since we are trying to find the window, you have to give the window description. If you are trying to find another object, say editor, you have to give the editor description. And in here you have to give the properties and values to identify that particular object. Since we are trying to identify the object, the window whose window class xp, this property has value notepad, we are given that particular details over here. And another thing to note is that you can also use regular expressions in the values. So over here, instead of giving the pure string value like this one, you can also specify the regular expression as displayed in this code as .regexp. This is the syntax, and over here you can use this regular expression like this one. So that is how we can use the description programming to identify a new object. So only this particular syntax changes depending upon what kind of object you are trying to find. For the checkbox, it will be I checkbox, something similar to that one. Now let us see how to use the application models or create the application models. For that, right click on your project and then click on add new or add LeanFT application model, or you can click on add new item and select application model. So you have to first select the test category and then LeanFT application model. So it actually creates the tsrx file, and in that tsrx file you can create a add or remove the objects. So this tsrx file is created. So in this application model you can give the name of the application model like this one, and you can add the objects by clicking on this button, or you can also use the object identification center to add the objects. So I'm gonna use the object identification center to add the notepad window in that model. So here the object identification center is open, and then I'm gonna spy on this object and then add on this particular. By clicking on this button you can add that to the application model. So I just clicked on that. So first of all you select the object that you want to add and then click on add object to the application model. So object is added. Now let us close this one and then close this one as well, and then go to Visual Studio. So as you can see, this notepad window is added in the application model, and to use that one in your tests, what you have to do is you can go to this stk init, and then over here you can create the instance of that application model like this one. m1 is equal to new application model 1. Like that you can create the instance of that particular application model, and then m1 dot, you can use the object that is stored in there dot exists. So like that you can use the object stored inside this application model. So I'll also execute this code. So it has launched this notepad and then entered something into notepad, and then it will use the application model as well. So the test is passed and it is also printed the output. So that is how you can create the application model and then instantiate that class. So you can use this application models class name to instantiate that class and then use the objects inside that using the syntax as I explained just now. So you can also use the regular expressions in here in the object identify this application model. So let me show you. So in here you can use this click on all, which displays all the properties of this particular object, and if you want to make one of the properties as the regular expression, you can also do that. Say for example you want to use this as a regular expression, then you have to click on the star button and then you have to keep the make this a regular expression. So like that you can change this property values. So that is how you can use the application models in LeanFT in Visual Studio. Thanks for watching this video.
Hi friends, if you find this video useful, please hit like button, and for more videos, please subscribe to my channel, and also visit www.softforce.org for more tutorials and updated videos. Thanks for watching my video.